Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. We are going to be doing another unboxing. I'm kind of excited because I just got home from my vacation and I wasn't expecting it, but my August box is already in the mailbox. So I'm going to go ahead and hit pause on redoing some of the other ones that I needed to do, and we're going to stop and do the August one. So super excited. Let's do this thing. In the August box, it looks like, doesn't this look just like the jungle one that they recently had? Anyway, okay, let me unbox everything. Make sure, I'm hoping this is the August box. Here is the description of what's in it. I want to be surprised, so I'm not really gonna look. And then this is a boho bungalow manicure how-to, and it shows you on the back a tutorial. Feel free to pause and you're welcome to have a look at what that is. I will be doing another video on following this tutorial for you. And then my friends, we have the bundle. So inside this bundle is going to be 2 stamping plates, 2 beauty mist polishes, because they always have beauty mist polishes. And then we're gonna also have some kind of bonus item that Maniology picks for us, which I like that. It looks like it may be up, it's an extra plate this time. Okay, let us begin with plates. We have M305, this has to be the extra item. So it looks like this extra item is strictly plant life. So we've got, I know that glare is really bad, I'm sorry. So we've got some floral things, some ferns. It looks like a lot of greenery though, honestly. So we've got all different kinds of ferns, leaves, just greenery. I don't know what this kind of grass stuff is called, but so that's M305. That's the extra item in the August Mani by Me subscription. Now, ooh, okay, like a trellis kind of thing going on here. This is MXM085 and 086. Let's go through them carefully. So lots more leaves, lots more fauna type stuff. Is floral fauna? Is fauna the plant life or is fauna the animal life? Anyway, so we've got lots of different kinds of plant life going on here. I love this. This is going to make for some cool draping down your nail kind of stuff. Are these... What is that for? Is this like a layered stamping kind of thing? Maybe just different shapes, which is kind of cool because I do like to layer different shapes and different outlines. So doing this and then putting that on top of that and making kind of like a backdrop or a background for your stuff is going to be really cool. So I'm kind of excited about that. I hope you get to see everything. I know the glare is horrendous. Okay, moving on to this one, we've got more of the same. Oh, okay, but this has the names of what they are, and you guys, I don't have my glasses on as usual. Alocasia, I think is how you say that one. Ficus, Caladium, is that how you say that one? Philodendron, maybe? I cannot see. Begonias, Calathea, maybe? Anyway, so these are different types of plants. And then we also have some potted plants that we can create, which is kind of cool. I'm not really sure what this is about. Is this supposed to be a trellis or is this supposed to be a window? Or it could be either one. And then you could put different scenes outside and have the plant life on the inside. I think that would be really cool. Or like looking through a terrarium glass kind of thing. Anyway, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, I was surprised to see them do lots more. You know, with the jungle theme, they had lots of plant life stuff too. But anyway, plant life is always good on nails, especially like florals and leafy kind of stuff. I am a big fan of having that on my nails. So let's get into those polishes. I'm grabbing some scissors. We're going to open this bad boy. And we shall be doing a little bit of stamping and a little bit of swatching with the 2 colors that are named Alocasia and Caladium. Pretty. And these colors are going to go well together, I think. Okay, I'm excited to swatch these. So let me get some fake fingernails ready. We will paint some and we will do some swatches on the top of these as well and stamps. Okay, so I got us 2 little fake nails ready. These are actually just tips, so I never use these. They're way too curved for what I need, what I would use. So anyway, that's what we've got. I'm gonna start with the Alocasia color. It's like a green, like a, it's got a gold shimmer in it. Super pretty, I hope it comes through. And here we go. Perfect for like jungly, planty, botany type nails. Oh, great background too. Ooh, I love the gold shimmer. I am a fan of the gold shimmer. In fact, in some, like the way you hold it some ways, it sometimes kind of looks brownish, which is really cool when you're talking about plants and stuff. The color just goes on so smoothly and beautifully. Okay, so that is gorgeous. That is a pretty opaque color too. That's one coat. And look, I missed a spot, but oh well. But that's one coat, so that's really, really good. Okay, so now for the Caladium color. Hope I'm saying all my plant names correctly. Those of you who know your plants, you know, correct me. My husband is the plant person. I'm not the plant person, honestly. So he's the one that would be like, oh yeah, I know what kind of plant that is. Me, on the other hand, I'm going to be referring to the named nail plate that I have now. So yeah, no, I didn't know that ficus looked like that. Sorry. Anyway, I do now. Pretty. Yeah, I'm not sure how well the 2 of them actually go. Maybe if you stamped this one on top of that, that would look really cool. But this is just a great kind of neutral, in my opinion, like a neutral color. It almost looks green. It almost looks gray. Well, it almost looks green. It is green, honestly. But it almost looks like a gray as well. And again, super nice thick coat. What is, I don't know what my problem is with the right side. Like, oh, why can't I get the right bottom? But anyway, I'll put a second coat on in a little bit, but it really, I don't think it even needs a second coat, honestly. Very pretty colors. This one I could see using quite a bit. This one for stamping, I bet it's gonna be fantastical. So let's get in there and find out. I'm going to use my new, oh, I just got this guy in the, this was the one that came in the May subscription box, so I'm going to use that one again. And what I love about it, this is the domed stamper, is, watch this guys, something I've been asking for, Maniology listened, you can take the back of it out, which to me, super muy importante, because I really like to get a good clear vision and I don't want to have to worry about damaging the back when I'm working. So I just set it off to the side and then I can begin stamping. Wait, I need to get a, okay. I've got my dome stamper. We are taking this color that was, what was it called again? Alocasia color. We're gonna scrape and pick up and put on super fast. I don't love about this one that it's kind of still difficult to see because of all the glitters, but I do love, look, see, I can just push it right back where it belongs. It would be, Maniology, the next thing you need to do is make that lip bigger so that it doesn't actually squish down. That would be amazing. Okay, now let's talk about the color. Super dark, looks great over white. You can tell it's green, but it's really, really dark. It's just gonna be lost over any dark colors though, for sure. But I love a good opaque stamping polish. And that's a good one. It's going to be great for the intended purpose, which is this whole idea that you've got leaves and greenery going on in this particular Mani by Me box. Okay, so just as I suspected, a wonderful stamping a color. Okay, this one was the Caladium? Yeah, Caladium. Let's get her on there. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, I've got my stamper nearby. And pick up and go and boom and boom and boom. Okay. Let's see how she looks. Okay, over black, almost looks gray, just like I was talking about before. In fact, it's kind of difficult to see that you've got this kind of sagey, really light green going on there. Oops, let me see if I can do a better job. There you go. But it's pretty. She sure is pretty. So stamping over a dark color, it definitely will work, but I'm not sure it's going to bring through as much green as you want it to. It looks almost more gray. Okay, both of them, really pretty colors. Don't know, unless you're stamping that one over top of that one, I don't know how awesomely dark it's going to be, but it is what it is. I think at this point we could probably go ahead and do another coat. Like I said, you really don't need it, but let's get the Alocasia. And this time maybe I'll consider not missing the edge over there. Okay, guys? What do you think? Am I capable? Sometimes I often wonder about myself. You can't even tell I screwed it up. Okay. By the way, I did my first live the other day, and everybody, if you were there, comment and let me know how I did. I thought it was super fun. You guys had such great questions, and we talked about all different kinds of things that were not necessarily nails, and I loved it. So I definitely, maybe on the weekends, I'll do some more of those because it was super, super fun. So thank you for indulging me, those of you who dropped in. I really appreciate it. Okay, so now we have our Caladium color. We're gonna do one more coat of it. Just like I said, don't think you need it, but it is looking mighty pretty. It's just a really great, you know what? It's a great base color. That's what it is. I like it so much because it's a great base color. So there we have our two colors, the Caladium and the Alocasia color. They are just this gorgeous kind of like sagey green and then a more dark, rich green. So let's talk about everything that was in our Mani by Me box. Those are our two stamping polishes. And then we had our two stamping plates, which were kind of leafy themed, plant life themed, and it was MXM085, which I love these extra splotches. This is going to be fun for some different kind of black background stuff. And these ones on over here, I really like those as well. They are nice kind of, they were a great stamp all around. Sorry about the focusing issues there, guys. MXM086, we've got some potted plants, and I love that they gave me the names so I can actually identify the plants on there. Thanks. And then our extra item this time was the M035, and it had lots of different leaves and different plant lives on it as well. Plant lives is on it as well. So, peeps, the other thing that we got with this was, we cannot forget, our description of everything inside. So that came, and then we also had our tutorial, and remember I'm going to be doing another video of that tutorial. Oh gosh, I got a lot of videos going on, so it might take a while, but it's definitely going to be coming. And I think we went over everything in the box. That was a good unboxing. I am surprised that they did another kind of, maybe not jungly, but plant life theme in this one so quickly, because I feel like it wasn't just like, was it the last month before? Was it July that they also did it? I don't know, but it feels like it was real close. But in any event, I do love me some Maniology. So whether they give me 2 jungle themes in a row or not. If you love some Maniology just like I do, then you might want to get 10% off your order by going to their website, maniology.com. You can enter the code GrooveMama when you're checking out, and you're going to get yourself 10% off of your order. Now, this was a subscription box, and I honestly think they have a better deal with the subscription box if you do one of their codes. I think you might be able to get $5 off with mine, but I'm not sure. So if anybody tries it, let me know. I'm hoping that I can get you a good discount. And that's gonna wrap up this unboxing of the August 2022 Mani by Me box. Peeps, this is, yeah, that was a great time. I hope you enjoyed it, and more than that, I hope as we move forward that you will decorate every nail you got. Bye!